as permanent hair transplantation for this young guy. He's just in his early 20s. We're going to do for 3,500 follicles, and yeah, he's got a lot of good, healthy donor area. We're going to be putting him in this bag, the head framing zone, and yeah, it's going to be a teamwork. We think it's going to take about 5 hours. We'll be doing this in the operating theatre with a continuous monitoring by an anesthesiologist. We'll also be having hair trichologists and hair surgeons with us who will be doing the work in team. The first team will be harvesting the follicles, the second team will be preparing them and then keeping them safely in petri dishes, and then we move on and change the patient's position. One team will be preparing the slot and the other will be transplanting. So this teamwork will make sure that the turnaround time is a little bit less. Still be thinking it's going to take about 5 hours for 3,500 follicles. This is including a small break we'll have after the grafts have been harvested. This is the last procedure before the patient can go home. Applying some ointment here. It also reduces the bleeding, and then the dressings will be applied from the for the donor area. The recipient area obviously will not get a dressing.